Urban beekeeping, the rise of honey production in cities. In recent years, urban beekeeping has emerged as a significant trend in cities around the globe, transforming rooftops, balconies, and unused urban spaces into vibrant hubs of honey production and ecological activity. This phenomenon is not just a fleeting interest among city dwellers but represents a deeper, more profound shift in urban agriculture and ecological awareness. The rise of urban beekeeping is a response to several critical issues facing modern societies, including environmental degradation, the decline of bee populations, and the growing disconnect between urban residents and the natural world. At the heart of urban beekeeping lies the honeybee, an insect that plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. Bees are responsible for pollinating a substantial portion of the crops we consume, making them indispensable for food production and biodiversity. However, in recent years, bee populations have been declining at an alarming rate, a phenomenon known as colony collapse disorder, CCD. This decline has been attributed to a range of factors including pesticide use, habitat loss, and climate change. Urban beekeeping has been seen as a partial solution to this problem, providing bees with safe habitats in which to thrive. The practice of beekeeping in urban settings differs significantly from traditional rural beekeeping. City beekeepers often have to navigate unique challenges, such as limited space, regulatory hurdles, and ensuring that their bees do not become a nuisance to neighbors. However, urban environments can offer some advantages. For instance, cities often have longer flowering periods due to the presence of diverse plant species and microclimates, which can result in more extended periods of nectar availability for bees. The benefits of urban beekeeping extend beyond honey production. It plays a vital role in educating the public about environmental issues and the importance of bees in our ecosystem. Many urban beekeepers conduct workshops and open their apiaries to schools and community groups, fostering a connection between city residents and nature. Furthermore, the presence of bees in urban areas contributes to the pollination of local gardens and green spaces, enhancing biodiversity and the health of the urban ecosystem. However, the rise of urban beekeeping also brings its challenges and controversies. Some conservationists argue that focusing too much on honeybees, a non-native species in many parts of the world, can negatively impact native bee populations and other pollinators. There is a concern that the resources allocated to supporting honeybees could be used more effectively to preserve a range of pollinator species. Additionally, urban beekeepers must ensure that their bees do not become a nuisance or hazard, particularly in densely populated areas. To address these issues, many cities have begun to implement regulations and guidelines for urban beekeeping. These regulations aim to ensure that beekeeping practices are sustainable, safe, and beneficial for both the bees and the urban communities. For example, some cities require beekeepers to register their hives, limit the number of hives they can maintain, and mandate certain distances from public spaces and neighboring properties. In conclusion, urban beekeeping represents a fascinating intersection of nature and urban living, reflecting a growing desire to integrate ecological practices into city life. It offers numerous benefits, including increased honey production, enhanced biodiversity, and a greater public awareness of environmental issues. However, it also requires careful management and consideration of its impact on native ecosystems and urban communities. As cities continue to evolve, urban beekeeping will likely remain an important part of the conversation about sustainable urban development and the role of nature in our daily lives.